Down a quiet forest road, she wanders all alone. Tiny paws on gravel stones, making it her own. The sunlight through the treetops paints shadows on the ground, and every little step she takes uncovers something new around. Oh, little paws on a winding road, following wherever the wild wind blows, through the trees and the summer light, chasing little moments from morning till night. No map to follow, no place to be, just the forest, the breeze, and a heart running free. The birds sing softly overhead,